What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy Yes, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to another 2-minute tutorial Tuesday, peeps, where today I'm going to be taking you through the boxer step. Now, this is an integral move for any jump roper, skipper, whatever style you guys use. I want you just to basically do this right. I see a lot of beginners falling into kind of common mistakes, habits that make it look awkward, and we're going to basically fix that in 2 minutes today. If you're not sure what rope I'm using today, it is of course the Legacy rope, 400 grams. This is a beast of a rope. We've got some available on my website right now, so use YouTube 10 for 10% discount. And we've got fresh speed ropes coming very soon. The money rope, of course, will be back. Right, so let's get that 2 minutes on the clock right now, people. First thing I'm going to teach you is you need to always stay on the balls of your feet, okay? None of this kind of flat-footed stuff, you know. See this all the time. Really awkward. We don't want that. We want you guys looking like you know what you're doing, looking like you're balanced. So I'm going to teach you that you're always going to stay on the balls of your feet and your heels are always going to stay off the floor, right? That's point number one. Heels always off the floor, on the balls of your feet. And this just needs to become your muscle memory, right? You don't want these heels falling flat. So that's point number one. Point number two is weight shift and balance, all right? Again, what I see a lot of people doing is that they stay either flat-footed and the weight is just here. It's distributed right down the middle. What I'm gonna get you to do, if you don't have the rope, is just understand that you're gonna be putting the weight down the left, down the right, and you've got to really absorb it. So you've got to really flex those knees like tiny bit, not too much, don't over exaggerate it, but you want to feel the weight transferring left and right, okay? That's point number two. Point number three is how your footwork actually looks. So people don't really understand that when you do shift this weight, what really needs to happen is as you come down on one leg, all the weight comes off this leg, so then you just have to touch it with your toe. Boom. Touch with your toe. Yeah, so the heel comes up. That's the aesthetics of the boxer step. That's why it looks so nice and easy, nice and chilled. Because if you see the clip right now, you can visibly see that one heel goes higher than the other. And if you don't know how to do this, especially when you're skipping, this is the step here. So you see the knee comes forward, touch with your toe, boom, boom, boom. All right? That is basically the boxer step, peeps. The last thing is your posture. Don't want to be too upright, looking awkward. You want to feel like a boxer, and as they move around the ring, they've got this sort of chest sort of down here. It's not up here. So that is where you're going to get, again, more aesthetics. Chest over the rope. For me, I like my elbows going backwards. If that feels comfortable for you, then it will all look pretty nice and slick. So people, 2 minutes, probably went over it as usual, but hopefully you got some value out of this video. Give this a massive thumbs up. I'm super tired, by the way. This rope is next levels. So without further ado, I'm gonna see you in the next video. Keep it short, sharp and sweet. Keep flying, boss. Take care of yourself. Skip the treadmill. Stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.